na Kenya a while ago. When I came to the Ministry of Interior, settlement iga Borabu itwara between 83 and 93 animals a month. Chiko ibwa. We reduced that to 0. Because I came here, tukatwara mesangana wakakawa. Koso nobody Mongoli. Tukatwara meeting na wakakawa. Nikaleta basikari iga tukaja na Inspector General, tukatambo kali, I brought nikaleta Special Service Unit. Nene kabatewinga onye motaitego soli etokana the Special Service Unit ile tali utane chipingu ama sasio kabagutwara okoboli chombe kolunsa we will sort you out naba chief bonsi ga tokai wananga chombe chiko bwati kuwa mabaratako area sublocation yao we sack you onye topuka chombe hicho chombo ibo kare we chombe last week obo tukobo mobuka chombe 8 chikaibunsa 8 nobody mongotewa Patrick, my brother, kendo ligereria bantaba beserekali to their face until the munge gasi yabasinyire na ende batotigere kire ntuntuma itokole gasi iyo to yekole. That is it. Geko gero moibi pastor lagati da kwanaiga amangana haya yokolikano na basikali kenyo na twalo kalanza komo toite bernanga abantaba. Let us bring them all together so that nyoto jutangazo no kusikali tokolika twalika bana baba bake na twalika baitokurwa nina bali mutwalika bana baba bake na twalika baitokurwa nesi parasteto prisons kyango dina lengo twena na marieta tukiriete the bafa aba bandi mwarora gaiga so that tucha koleta uhusiano no twamanyeta na pastor baba sikizi na bantu bandi one gazi agenda nje kabiriyo. We should never ever agree. And let me tell you, I will be very honest with you, my dear friends. There is no leadership when the people you are leading are not comfortable. As I was telling them, in Nakula salute, mimi sikuli salute, usinipigie salute, kama wazee hawalali. Wasawa nao demo limonga tewa. Yeah, kuna kuondoka saa na rongoli. I mean, antaba base ito bamenye no malembe, because you see, for me what matters Pastor Lagati, what matters to me is the peace, the stability and happiness of these people. Nekierangwaka na balingoli babale tax na bantu bale buronge, they are here genuinely babe supported ekalo chombe chiko ibwa abantu baka baikesi bakora ne chombe nyomba. You should not even step out and tell people you are a leader. Abantu okora abachande kete ngenje kabiri. Abantu